Looking for a reliable concrete pump truck for demanding construction projects? Meet our 37-meter concrete pump truck engineered for efficient concrete placement, reliable performance, and professional job site operation. In this video, let's take a closer look at its key systems and capabilities. This 37-meter concrete pump truck is designed to provide an efficient solution for a wide range of construction applications. The machine integrates a truck-mounted pumping system with a high-reach boom, allowing concrete to be delivered efficiently to different areas of the job site. From residential construction to commercial buildings and infrastructure projects, the 37-meter configuration provides a practical balance between working reach, mobility, and job site efficiency. One of the key features of this machine is its 37-meter placing boom. The multi-section boom is designed for flexible positioning and smooth movement during concrete placement. Operators can control the boom precisely to reach different pouring areas while maintaining efficient operation. Before delivery, the boom system is carefully tested at the factory to verify its movement, hydraulic functions, and overall operating performance. The pumping system is another critical part of the machine. During operation, concrete is continuously delivered through the pumping system and transported through the delivery pipeline to the placing boom. Instead of relying on separate equipment for mixing and pumping, this 37-meter concrete mixer pump truck combines both functions into one machine. The integrated mixing system is designed to provide efficient and consistent concrete mixing before the material enters the pumping system. Once the concrete is ready, it can be continuously transferred to the pumping system and delivered through the 37-meter placing boom. Mixing, pumping, and placing, all in one machine. This integrated design can help simplify job site operations, reduce equipment requirements, and improve overall construction efficiency. From factory testing to real construction sites, the 37-meter concrete pump truck is designed to deliver reliable and efficient concrete placement. If you're looking for a 37-meter concrete pump truck for your next construction project, feel free to contact us for more information, specifications, and customized solutions. Built for construction. Tested for performance. Delivered worldwide. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.